So the brand that I like to use is the GU Korean Skincare Toner Pads. What I love about them is that they replace like 3 products. Using one of these toner pads morning and night is like using a toner, a serum, and an exfoliant all in one. So usually I just start off by washing my face. After I wash my face, then I'll generally just use one of these toner pads at least once a day, sometimes twice a day. Concentrate on my T-zone and places where I generally break out. I didn't notice it was making such a difference before until after a few weeks. Other people noticed it and I was like, oh wow. So these are really good and they're on sale right now. So I'll make sure to link them below in case you want to try them.